Hi guys, today we're making my two favorite side dishes, which are smashed potatoes and roasted broccoli.
Yes, we're making his favorite side dishes today. And these are both really easy to make and they're so delicious. So let's get started. Yes. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get started. Yes.
Remember the dessert that you made for me,
Okay, we'll make another dessert video later just for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get started on the smashed potatoes, and these smashed potatoes are a real hit at our house. We roast them up with some olive oil and some butter, and they come out so crispy and delicious, and I like to dip them with a special sauce made up of mayo and a little bit of ketchup. Okay, so for the potatoes, I have these small potatoes here, which I boiled for about 20 minutes until they're tender in some salted water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just lay them onto the baking sheet here. They're not too hot. And you wanna make sure to let them rest after you boil them for at least 5 minutes. And then we'll just kind of spread it around. Ooh,
hot potato.
This one is kind of connected. Okay, so once you get them onto the baking sheet, here, grab a glass. You're gonna use the bottom of a glass and go ahead and smash.
Oh yes.
Okay, you can do one, Bradley, hold on. So you can smash them until they're about 1/3 of an inch thick.
Oh, hold on, I'm actually gonna do the connected
Okay, you could do one, Bradley, go ahead.
Man, this connected one is strong.
Push hard, Bradley, push hard, Bradley. This is fun, right?
I'm squishing one.
Since the kids are on vacation, I'm putting them to work today. Great job, Bradley. All right, now that we have our potatoes all nice and smashed, we're gonna get ready with our mixture. So you're gonna need, well, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Can I dip it?
Sure, yes you can. Wait. Wait.
No, that's not it.
Okay, yes it is. Okay, and then we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Go ahead, Ray.
Woohoo! That looks like an egg pool. An egg pool?
Okay, so to that, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon each, starting with smoked paprika. You could use regular paprika. Okay, let's let mommy do this, and then you guys do the salt and pepper, okay? Really wanna help, I know. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Working on patience today, right guys? I know you wanna help. And then lastly, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Onions.
I want to mix it.
You guys like garlic and onion, or they like onion powder, but they won't eat onions. Interesting, right? Okay, so we're gonna mix this up. And then you guys can go ahead and season the potatoes up with some salt and pepper. So here you go. You do pepper, you do salt. And you wanna make sure this is really nice and seasoned, just like potato chips. You like them nice and salty. Don't eat the salt, sprinkle it onto the potatoes. Come on. No, not like that. You love salt?
Hey, Mommy, let's switch now.
Okay, switch now.
Yeah, pepper.
Great job.
Pepper looks good.
It looks good. So now that the potatoes are nice and seasoned, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle over our butter olive oil mixture.
With smoked paprika and garlic and onion powder.
You want to drizzle a little bit?
I want drizzle.
Okay, put it here. Go ahead and put it on the potato. Here, I'll just hold this.
No, mix it and then go around it.
It's okay, you could just drizzle it. They all need some.
Here, I got this.
Okay.
Look, brother, this is how you do it.
There you go, great job.
I want to do it.
Obviously, when you do it with your kids, it's gonna be a little bit messier.
Yes. Here,
okay.
You shouldn't on the connected one.
Okay, so I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees, and I'm gonna roast these up for about 15 minutes until they're nice and crispy. So now that the potatoes are roasting up in the oven, we're gonna work on our roasted broccoli. You could either buy like a whole head of broccoli. Okay, I need scissors. You can either buy a whole head of broccoli or sheet and just get bagged broccoli. I got this big bag of broccoli from Costco, and it just makes it easier so I don't have to cut. And I just go ahead and throw them onto a baking sheet, and I don't even get a knife. See, these ones are small, but these are a little bit bigger, and I just rake them up with my hands. Yeah, no need to get a knife at this point.
Kind of look like trees.
They do.
They really do.
Like eating little trees.
Yeah, it's big enough.
And broccoli is one of Aaron's favorite veggies, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
So last week I showed you my favorite side dishes, which was scalloped potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts. And now this is Aaron's, right, Aaron?
Eating little
Eating little trees, yes. Okay, that's good. I would say that's about a little over 1.5 pounds of broccoli florets. Okay, so this is gonna be really simple. I'm not even going to measure. We're gonna season it with some salt and pepper and some olive oil. Wanna go ahead and do the salt and pepper again, you guys?
Yes.
Okay.
After this, can we switch?
Sure. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it with some olive oil.
Olive oil. And some more pepper.
One more pepper. Okay, we are good. And then just like the roasted potatoes, I'm gonna keep my oven at 450 degrees, and I'm gonna roast these up for about 15 minutes. And normally, for a side dish, I would just eat them as is, just like this. But today is a special day, so we're gonna add some lemon juice and some Parmesan cheese, right? Okay.
Yeah, Parmesan cheese.
You love Parmesan cheese, huh? Okay, no, that's after, that's after. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the special sauce. And this is completely optional, but I recommend it. It's really delicious with the smashed potatoes. So here I have about 1/3 cup of mayo, and to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And then I'm also going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And then I'm gonna mix until it's well combined. And this sauce really goes well with anything. You could dip it with like fries, chicken tenders. It's a very versatile sauce. Perfect. Okay, so I pulled our roasted broccoli out of the oven, and it should look like this, nice and crispy. And regularly, if this is just a regular side dish on like a weeknight meal, I would just enjoy it as is. But since this is going to be a special holiday side dish, I'm going to sprinkle over some lemon juice. My son likes it with a little bit of lemon juice, brings out a nice bright and zesty flavor. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it with some shredded Parmesan cheese, just to jazz it up a little bit. Roasting broccoli is my ultimate favorite way to have broccoli. I think it's because of the nice and crispy texture. Ever since I've been roasting broccoli, I can't have it any other way. These smashed potatoes and roasted broccoli are so crispy and delicious, and they're a perfect side dish for your holiday feast.